Chapter 38, Digestive and Endocrine Systems. Digestive system. The digestive system takes in food, breaks it down, and absorbs nutrients into your body. Nutrients are substances that your body uses for energy, growth, reproduction, and repair. Nutrients include vitamins, minerals, proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. There are two types of digestion. One, mechanical digestion, when your body physically breaks down food, such as when you chew food in your mouth. Your stomach also breaks down food mechanically when it squeezes and churns. 2. Chemical digestion, when your body breaks down food using chemical reactions. Your body produces enzymes throughout your digestive tract to speed up those chemical reactions. Enzymes are special proteins that provoke chemical reactions. Digestive tract. The digestive tract includes your mouth, your esophagus, and your stomach. So we'll go through the mouth first. Your mouth. Digestion begins in your mouth, where chewing, mechanical digestion, stimulates salivary glands to release saliva, chemical digestion, which breaks down food into a soft ball. The ball gets pushed down to your esophagus. That's where it gets pushed down by a squeezing action or muscle contraction called peristalsis into the stomach. The stomach is a giant muscle and it squeezes and churns the food, breaking it down, mechanical digestion. The stomach also releases enzymes and chemicals that break the food down, chemical digestion. The food mixes with the digestive juices to produce chyme, a pulpy mix of food and acid, which moves to the small intestine. The first part of the small intestine is called the duodenum, and it contains digestive juices released from the pancreas and liver called bile. While bile breaks up fats, the pancreas releases digestive juices that chemically break down carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. The duodenum is where most of the digestion in your body takes place. Nutrients are absorbed into the bloodstream in the small intestine. Next stop for the chyme is the large intestine. This is where most of the water is absorbed into your body. As the water in the chyme gets absorbed, undigested parts harden into waste. The end of the large intestine has a part called the rectum, which leads to the anus, the last part of the digestive tract. Together, they control when we go to the bathroom to expel fecal material, called waste. So here's a nice picture of the digestive tract. It starts at the mouth. Then you have your salivary glands, which release saliva, breaking down carbohydrates. So then it travels down through your esophagus with the peristalsis. Even if you're upside down, it will still go into your stomach. Right into your stomach, releases digestive enzymes, breaks chemicals to break down proteins. Right? Then it goes into your small intestine or your duodenum, where most of your digestion takes place, into this other yellow part, right? This is where most nutrients are absorbed into the bloodstream. Then it goes into the large intestine, where most water is absorbed into the body, then eventually out the rectum and anus. Nutrition. Our body needs the right balance of foods in order to stay healthy. Proteins. Our bodies use proteins to rebuild and grow cells. They are made of amino acids that your body can rebuild into new proteins. Proteins are found in meat, eggs, beans, peas, nuts, and dairy products. Carbohydrates. Our bodies burn carbohydrates for quick energy. They can be sugars, starches, or fibers. Simple sugars can provide fast energy but run out quickly, while more complex carbohydrates, starches and fibers, provide longer-lasting energy because your body has to break them apart before it can use them. Carbohydrates are found in bread, pasta, potatoes, sugar, fruit, and vegetables. Fats. Fats provide the body with energy, insulation, and cushioning. They also help your body absorb certain vitamins. Fats are found in fish, meat, oils, nuts, and eggs. Vitamins. Vitamins are nutrients your body needs for growth and cell function. Your body needs only small quantities of these nutrients. Different vitamins are found in every type of food, but some foods have more than others. Minerals. Minerals are needed to maintain proper body function as well. Calcium, phosphorus, potassium, sodium, iron, and iodine are all examples of minerals your body needs. Minerals are found in spinach, dairy, bananas, nuts, eggs, meat, and seafood. Excretory system. Your excretory system removes waste from your body in order to help it maintain homeostasis. Your body has a number of different waste systems. In your digestive system, food that is left undigested is excreted from the end of your large intestine. When you exhale, you also excrete carbon dioxide, a waste product of respiration. Your skin excretes extra salt, water, and other substances through your sweat. Urinary system, also called the part of the excretory system. So the urinary system filters your blood and gets rid of waste and excess water, salt, and minerals. The kidneys are the main organs of the urinary system. Your blood constantly gets filtered by millions of tiny filtration units in the kidneys called nephrons. Any liquid filtered out by the kidneys is collected and funneled into the ureter, which is a tube that leads from the kidney to the bladder where urine is stored. The bladder stretches to hold urine until it leaves the body through a tube called the urethra. Check your knowledge. So these are the questions that I'd like you to answer using complete sentences and make it so that I can actually read it. So you can copy these down into Notability so you have plenty of room and it's not all scrunched up next to it. So number 1, what is chyme? Number 2, what does your body burn for quick energy? Number 3, most nutrients are absorbed in the blank intestine. Number 4, what connects the kidney and the bladder? Number 5, what does our body use to rebuild and grow cells? Number 6, what is peristalsis? Number 7, what are nephrons? Number 8, water is absorbed in your blank intestine. Number 9, give an example of mechanical digestion and an example of chemical digestion. Number 10, where is urine stored? Have a great day.